Jen here from 3D Universe, hanging out today working on a fun project that I've been looking forward to for a while now, where I'm going to take my Mayku Formbox vacuum former and pair it with a potato. That's right. I am going to take a potato and make a mold to turn into something awesome. Did you know you could use a potato to carve out a shape for your vacuum former? And you don't always have to use a 3D printed object or a laser cut object. You can use random things around your house. You can use clay, you can use cardboard and duct tape. You can make all kinds of things with your Mayku Formbox. And today I'm going to use this potato and turn it into soap that looks like a gemstone. Isn't that cool? And it smells good too. This does not smell good, but look what you can make with it that does. How cool is that? Let's head to the kitchen and I'll show you how I took a potato and turned it into a fancy little gemstone soap. Are you ready? Let's go! So there you have it, how to take your Mayku Formbox vacuum former, pair it with a potato, and turn it into some really cool gem soaps. Who knew? The power of a potato. I kind of feel like I need to go on a quest now. Like, I found this magical gemstone and I should go wander around under a waterfall. AKA the shower, and see what adventures await. There's probably a giant spider in there and it'll chew my face off. Not sure I'm ready for that. Thank you for following along and subscribing and coming along with me on my brand new making adventures as I navigate this technology and learn all of the cool things that I could be making with it. If you are using your Formbox for something really cool, please leave me a comment. I would love to see what else is possible and what kind of cool creations you guys are coming up with. I'll leave our email in the description for you. If you are creating something really awesome, I would love to talk to you and maybe feature you on our upcoming episodes of 3D Universe Untethered. If you are interested in getting your own Formbox, please email us or visit our website at shop3duniverse.com and learn a little bit more about what this little machine can do. Till next time, Potato, 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 potato.